students, today I am going to explain of class 4 EVS chapter number 1 Going to School part 2. In first part of the chapter we learn about bamboo bridge, trolley and cement bridge used by children to reach school in different part of our country. In second part of our chapter, let us find out some other way by which children get the school in remote area of our country. 1. Vallam. This is the picture of Vallam. Student, you know what is the Vallam? That I explain you, that I tell you earlier in our first lecture. So, Vallam is a small wooden boat used in some parts of Kerala. As Kerala is the land of backwaters and beaches, so here students reach their school by using Vallam. Camel cart in Rajasthan. So students, camel cart, horse cart and bullock carts that you all know, right? Okay. Rajasthan is a very hot place and sand all around, so only camel cart is used as a mode of transport in desert. Camel is also known as a sheep of desert as he can walk very easily on land. Bullock cart. In villages and small towns, students use bullock cart to reach their school. A bullock is built by bulls. It has 2 or 4 big wheels. The carriage of the bags is made up of wood and get easily carry many people at a time. Number 4. Bicycle ride. Cycling to school is an easy way to provide an active start through the day and also good for the environment and for our health also. Cycles are used on long route to school. At first, girls of villages did not go to school because it was too far. But now, groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Number 5. Jugaad. Wow, what a vehicle! Look at our special transport. Can you see the picture? So it's called Jugaad. Now students, do you know that how this Jugaad is made of and why it's called Jugaad? Let me tell you. Actually, the Jugaad has been made by putting together parts from other vehicles or machines. For example, tires, engine, wooden parts from different things. That is why it is called Jugaad. Now you understood? Okay. It has wooden carriage at the back. It makes phat-phat sound when it runs. Mostly it is seen in Gujarat. This picture, it is a picture of a thick forest. Here children cross the jungle to reach the school. At some places it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. So imagine, then and there also the students go to school. In northern hills, the children in hilly areas go to school through miles of snow. They hold their hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, their feet sink into it, and if the snow is frozen, they may slip and fall. Now the last one, rocky paths. In mountain region like Uttarakhand, the paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on this, but they can easily race up and down. So students, here we end of chapter number 1 part 2. Now you read the chapter till explain. Hope so you all understand the chapter. You understand or not? Okay, hopefully you all understand the chapter. So in the next lecture I will give the exercise and explain it. Till thank you.